I'm gonna change out these dopey ambers and the one that I have kind of rigged to stay in there right now. Out for some nice clears. This isn't gonna take very long. I'll just do it real quick, see what it looks like. Here we go. The other day while I had my front bumper off and I was cleaning out my radiators and whatnot, I actually broke all the clips off the driver's side light. So that thing didn't even sit in there anymore anyway, so I really had to break down and get some new lenses, so I got clear ones. The new ones were even nice enough to give me an amber bulb. So much better. Oh, so much better. Alright, got first one on. Like I said, it only takes a few minutes, but it's such a huge difference that it makes. Jump on the other side, get it knocked out real quick. But look at this. Just like that, they're done. Literally takes no time to do it. It's such a difference. Very good.